Turn your typical morning coffee routine into something extraordinary with the Oster MyBrew personal coffee maker. It's as simple as fill, brew, and go. Simply add water to the reservoir. Fill the removable permanent filter basket with your favorite grounds. And with the touch of a button, your coffee is brewed directly into your personal stainless steel mug. After the brew cycle is complete, simply add your favorite ingredients, pop on the lid, and go! The Oster MyBrew personal coffee maker has a convenient auto shutoff feature, and the reusable mug is the perfect size for your car. Plus, the mug fits on the Oster MyBlend blender to easily turn your coffee into a tasty frozen drink. The Oster MyBrew personal coffee maker makes it easy to brew and go.